Hello guys, welcome back to Artery Auto Parts. In today's video, I will be continuing to introduce our new products for this new rider, Jetour G100. That's front grille bug screen, which made especially for the overseas version. It's made from ABS plastic and super easy to install. Just clips right on. So what does it do? Mainly, it stops bugs on the highway. Think about it, when you are driving over 80 km/h, bugs hit hard and get smashed onto the condenser behind the grille. Over the time, the junk blocks airflow. Your air conditioning won't be cool well, or worse, the engine could overheat. This mesh can act as your first defense. It keeps the bugs out, lets air flow, and help your car run smoothly. Just a reminder, this fits only the Overseas G700. If you often drive fast, take road trips, or live in a buggy area, this is definitely worth it. Alright, thank you for your watching. If you are interested in our new products, please drop your comments below. If you have any question about Jetour G700 accessories, please contact our sales department. Thank you for your time and Happy New Year. Bye bye.